Okay, I'm going to show you how to have a weed-free garden. This is pole shavings, and pole shavings, you know what poles are used in landscaping. They're like 3-inch or 4-inch poles. They're used to hold up brand new trees to help them get started, and they use them in landscaping a lot. Well, they got to make them all similar, so like 3-inch or 4-inch, so they shave them down. So these are called pole shavings, and that's all the shavings that make up the remains of the poles. But anyway, if you want a weed-free garden, you simply put this, like I happen to have a 2-foot tall, concrete block raised garden beds, but a lot of people don't. If you just happen to have, earth, and you're planting on earth, this still applies. So if you walk up to your earth area that you want to have a garden at, just put in 4 or 6 inches or whatever. I would use more, but if you can afford more, at least 4 to 6 inches worth of these pole shavings in the area of your garden bed, and just have your waters already run to the whole bed. Like right now, you can see on mine, I have 3 different areas for waters. Okay, and so when I have one right here, and then over there and there. So if you have a water set up, anywhere in your bedding area, you simply go down after you've let your stuff sit here, and then you go down here and you dig down until you get to earth, and you would just plant in the earth. And what's nice about this stuff here is it protects that soil. You can see the soil is gorgeous. It protects the soil, and then you would just plant your plant and let it grow out from this area. And so the whole area around your plant would still be protected from weeds, and your water, of course, will go right down and water that area. And what's nice about this stuff here is the water goes out. You can set it up anywhere. It would just come down and get water and just goes right through, because it hits this stuff and individually just drops off, so it doesn't roll down to an area and pool, but instead it goes straight in. So anyway, works out good, and that way you get weed free. And then when the season's over, you just cover it right back up, and you're ready for the next season after it's done. And the whole time it's sitting here, when you're not using it, whether it's different seasons or whatever, it's making the soil better. It's conditioning the soil, because all the bugs that are naturally good for your soil, the worms and all those different things, still can live there without any fear of getting beat up by critters that usually roam on the earth to eat them. And so there's nothing bothering them now. They're totally protected. So all the beneficial bugs are still there and available for your plants. And so it works out great. Anyway, if you have any questions, put them down below, and I'll get back with you.